burn my tongue out. Whoa!
This truck got struck with concrete debris from a high-rise construction.
Fucking shit. What
Holy
and tell them about her cancer. What cancer? She doesn't have cancer. I'm sorry, what? Yeah, now I don't know if they even knew about the ruse that she used to get everyone over there in that moment, because it's a little unclear to me if Gail, Heather, or Dawn, or even Ian were in a position to tell police about that before they got like seriously ill. Ian definitely told them about it after he recovered, and no record of cancer. So let's call that question 1 on. Question 2, do you own a dehydrator, and have you ever foraged for mushrooms in the past? Because no way were these death cap mushrooms bought from a store. And she says, nope. But, you know, you might find a manual for a dehydrator at
Oh my god!
One day.
I did. Shit.
want to make sure I understand why this would catch your eye in the first place. You are obviously an investigative reporter. Did you see these two deals and think, I wonder if there's a connection because the UAE transfers $2 billion to the Trump-Witkoff family crypto business, and then the Trump administration turns around and hands over to the UAE hundreds of thousands of these super important chips? Like, is that what initially piqued your interest?
That's right.
Okay, so what did you find? Were the deals related, and how did they come about?
So as our team of reporters worked on this, what we found was there were more linkages